This 2020 Coachmen Viking Express 9.0 TD is a pop-up RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 9 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Coachmen Viking Express 9.0 TD is 1,080 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.